corner rule, and this northwest corner rule. To find this, we see this is the northwest corner rule transportation problem number 1, northwest corner rule. And suppose we have a question, determine an initial basic feasible solution to the following transportation problem. So the question will be given like this. These are the D1, D2, D3, D4 means there are 4 destinations, and O1, O2, O3 means there are 3 origins. And the supply and demand means for demand, this destination 1 there are 6 requirements, and this destination 2 there are 10 requirements, destination 3 there are 15 requirements, 15 demands are there, the destination 4 there are 4 requirements, 4 demands are there, and available number of items to be supplied. So supply availability in first origin is 14, then second origin is 16, and third origin is 5. Now, these values, the 6, 4, 1, 5, 8, 9, 2, 7, 2, 6, 3, 4, these are the costs to be incurred to this destination 1 means if we have to supply the item to first sale means D1, this first sale, first row, first column means first origin, and first destination, the cost to be incurred is 6, and this cost to be incurred is 4. Then means these values are cost, and this 6 demand, 10 demand, and 15 demand, 4 demand means requirements. How we will distribute these requirements and the supply in different destinations, that will be now discussed. And to discuss it again we do what? We prepare a blank table taking only the demand and supply. So this is a blank table having only demand and supply. Now our aim is to distribute this available supply to these different destinations as per their requirements. So what is then northwest corner rule? Northwest corner rule means in the sale, we start from the northwest cell. Northwest cell, so this part is the north part, and this part, so west. Then northwest here, we will see what this northwest corner rule means the left top cell. So left top cell means first origin and first destination is the first cell. This is the first required cell. This first required cell, it means destination 1 and origin 1. So in origin 1 supply available item is 14 and requirement is 6. So how many items can we supply to destination 1? We can supply maximum 6 items to destination 1. That means these 6 items we write here 6 there. And while supplying this required demand, then this part becomes 0. So we write in this way, this is 0. And this, out of these 14 items, we have supplied only 6 items, and there are still 8 items available there. And these will be filled up by the corresponding cost of the given table of the question. Then this destination 1, so total requirement of destination 1 is finished. Now we think for destination 2, destination 3, destination 4, origin 1, origin 2, and origin 3. Now what will be the second northwest corner? Definitely second northwest corner will be what? Origin 1 and destination 2. This corner will be the second left top corner. Second left top corner, this one, and here total available item is 8, but requirement is 10. So maximum 8 items can only be supplied here. Therefore, we write there 8. And since we have supplied 8 items, so this part will be completely, this part out of this 10, we have supplied only 8 items. So 2 requirement is still there. And since all 8 items have been supplied, therefore, this part, as you know, this is the corresponding value of this corresponding cost of the given table of the question. And then here These after supplying all 8 items, this part will be 0, means in origin there is nothing to supply. So we can now supply from origin 2 and origin 3. And since destination 1 there is nothing to nothing to supply, and there is no demand in destination 1, so we think from origin 2 and destination 2, origin 2 and destination 2. So what is the requirement again, because this is the left top corner now. So we have two requirements and we have 16 items available which can be supplied. So maximum 2 items cannot be supplied to destination 2 as there is only 2 requirements. So we put a 2 there. After putting 2 there, then this part, this part will be 0. And out of 16 items, we have supplied only 2 items. So this part will be what? 14 means we have still 14 items in our hand. So, and this part, okay, let us fill up these things at a time. Means why after inserting all the requirements and supply in the concerned these cells, then we put these things as a whole at the last. So this destination 2 is also finished because this requirement has become 0. So now we can think for origin 2, origin 3 and destination 3 and destination 4. So what is the northwest corner, means what is the left top corner? The left top corner is now origin 2 and this corner is the left top corner, and in this left top corner how much can we supply? Let us see in destination 3, 15 demand. Demand is 15 means requirement is 15. And we have only 14 items available which can be supplied. So maximum 14 items can be supplied there. So after supplying these 14 items, then we will see this 15 out of 15 requirements, one requirement is still there, and all these 14 items available have been supplied to this cell. Therefore this part becomes 0. So origin 2 has also become empty. Now we have only origin 3. Origin 3 can only supply in D3 and D4. And in D3, so and this is the northwest corner, means this is the left top corner now. And in this left top corner, this D3 requires one item, and origin 3 has 5 items. So maximum 1 item can be supplied there. Since maximum 1 item has been supplied, so this part becomes what? 0, means in D3 there is nothing, no requirement, and in origin 3 there is still 4 items available which can be supplied. So on destination 3 is also finished. Therefore we have only origin 3 in our hand and destination 4. So in destination 4 we have seen demand is 4, and origin 3 we have seen available item to be supplied is also 4. So this total 4 can be supplied to this cell, and once if we have supplied this 4, so these 2 becomes 0, 0. So nothing to insert in the cell, means we have already supplied the requirements, we have fulfilled the requirement. Now we simply fill up the red marked cell with their corresponding costs. So this is 9, this is 2, this 2, then this is 4, with 4 this is 2, and with 1 this is 6. So this means the table has been done. And so our part, we are at the finger tip only. So this is our solution table, and from the solution table now we will write these values, these non-bracketed values, means non-braced values. We write as the cost, means these are initial basic feasible solution, and this x11 is what? X11 means this is first row and first column. First row, first column x11, this value is 6. Then first row, second column, this value is 8, 5, and these are written x. And second row, second column, this x22 is 2, x23 is 14, then x3 3 is 1 and x3 4 is 4. And minimum cost means total cost to be incurred by the company to supply the required material to the destinations is what? These say six items are supplied, and every item has a cost of rupees 6. So what is the total cost here? 6 into 6, 36. And what is the total cost here? 8 into 4, total cost 2 into 9, total cost 14 into 2, total cost 1 into 6, total cost 4 into 2. So these are written there as the total cost. And then after simplification, we have got the value rupees 128, and this rupees 128 is the total cost, means we have got the initial basic feasible solution. So thank you. I hope you have understood and you like it. And I request you, since you have liked it, I request you to share this video and supply it, and subscribe the video. And I request you to follow this video, and after this we will discuss least cost entry method, then Vogel's approximation method, and Modi method. So I think you will be keeping tuned to this channel. Thank you again.